What's going on, guys? Oatmealduck here, and today I have an awesome command block creation to show you. This is going to be so cool. I spent so much time on this. This is new scoreboard stuff. This is Pokemon. So, I've only made 2 of them, and this is just beyond. Like, this is much worse than Pixelmon. This is no comparison. Wow, it's bad. But Pixelmon's a mod. This is vanilla, and I am not smart. So, yeah, it's fair. Okay, so I'm just going to show you everything that happens. I'm just going to try not to explain it until the end. Alright, so this is, I'm going to catch this pig. Alright, that's mine. And cow, you're mine. Easy peasy. You totally didn't see where they went. Okay, now I'm going to go to my PC. You see, it says PC. And then I click the button, go here, and I am putting my Pokemon in my Pokeballs, quote unquote. So, now I have the 2 Pokemon that exist in this world. And I drop a snowball. I mean my Pokeball, and drop my pork chop. Oh my God, it's a pig! Hey, dude. And then go back in your Pokeball. And as you can see, wait, look at this, look at this. Alright, so I have my pig, and I did not catch another pig, so I can't hack and get another pig, you know? And then I can also spawn my cow. Hey, cow. Okay. Alright, so, oh, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna get these guys back, and their Pokeballs are trying to run from me. That's just the game we play. I'm not abusing animals. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, so now, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna bring them into an arena, and they're gonna fight to submission. So I'm gonna reset these really quick. Sorry about that. All right. I'm gonna go in with my pig because pigs are awesome. And there's my. Oh, hey, dude. Are you gonna? No, you're just gonna stand there. Okay. I'm gonna use my attack, but obviously there's no other person because I'm in a single player world because I have no friends. And the move will. If there's no one there, it'll actually hit me because it's executing at that place right there at the nearest player, and even if it's executing at that place right there, I'm still the nearest player because I'm the only player in the world. Forever alone. So move 1, see, my health goes down 10. You can see on the corner, you see on my health, so I have 61 now. If I do that, I'm supposed to take recoil damage, but do more damage. I take both of them because I am by myself. So that makes me just so cool. And then I'm gonna take that again, take this again. Yeah, do that. I'm dead. So I take a lose. My health is reset to 1. And I think, yeah, that's all I have to show you. That's everything. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how it's made. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna go over this catching Pokemon thing. So it just tests for a snowball hooked up to a redstone clock. Fill above it with air. Fill below it with a redstone block, and it goes really fast. Over here, we test for a snowball, and then it goes into 3 of the exact same commands, except this has 1 more radius, so just shut up about that. So it executes add a type equals snowball, and then it teleports an entity in the radius of 5, not a snowball, the exclamation point, to these coordinates, which is my little killing house. And they're all hooked up to different speeds or repeaters, so that's my system of making it harder to catch a Pokemon. So let's say there's a few pigs here, and then I throw my Pokeball. Oh God, okay, that's not supposed to, alright, that wasn't, let's see, oh God, why? Just trying to show an example, and it's making my thing look really bad. Go, see, that didn't catch. That, God, yeah, a little bit of tweaking. It's sort of in beta stage. See, that didn't catch, but that caught. Because they all activate at different times, and at that second, if there's something in the radius of 5, I should make it a smaller radius, honestly. Whatever. Alright, over here, now we're going on to the stuff about my Pokemon spawning and when I drop my stuff. So, it starts off with a scoreboard, and this is over here. Scoreboard objectives add, and then the first thing is the name of what it's going to be referred to in the command blocks, I think, and then the next one is what it is, and then the next one is the name again. I just where it's referred somewhere else. I just always keep the name the same so I don't get confused. Nothing. It's easier. So in the middle, that's what really matters. So it's stat.killentity.pig, which means that it's testing for I get a score every time I kill a pig, which is kind of screwed up, but yeah. So basically that's why I have to kill the pig. I wish I didn't have to because it's sort of brutal. And I do the same thing with a cow, /entity cow, and then I name it Pokemon_cow. So over here, okay, that's the same thing as this, so just forget about that. It just looks better because I already did this, and then I just made it look better. Because I was better at it. Executes at me, and then it tests for an item in the radius of 3. Item specifies as a pork chop. So over here it tests for at me, and then it tests for an item in the radius of 3, and the item is a snowball. And over here it tests for that I have a minimum of 1 for my pig score. So once all of those are activated, they will turn off all of these redstone torches. And they're all connected, so all of them need to turn off to create a singular signal of off. And when that signal is off, this will turn on, and all of these will activate. So the scoreboard player, remove Oatmealduck Pokemon Pig 1. So it's just removing 1 score, because I'm spawning a pig, so that pig is, like, that score is going to be removed because he's right there. And I can put him in my Pokeball by killing him. So it executes at me, and then it kills items in the radius of 4 just to kill my snowball and my pork chop. And over here it executes at me. Wow, voice crack. What was that? Wow, oh god. That was just terrible. That was slight voice crack again. Just ignore it. Executes at me, summons a pig in that place. Okay. And the same thing is over there, so that's how it works. I have a score of at least 1 pig right now, so if I drop it like that, then bam, pig. And also, if you're wondering, you don't really need to catch the Pokemon. You could just kill it in the wild. But I just, like, you know what? If you want to ruin it, then you can. So just go ahead, just ruin everything. It's fine. You can just kill Pokemon in the wild, or you don't have a snowball. Okay, now over to the PC. That's pretty simple. It just teleports me to that place over there. And see, I'm over here, and then I could just, it teleports me back to the PC. Alright, now it comes into battling. So battling, we get 2 more scoreboard objectives. Yay. So you see I have our Pokemon health on the side, right? So I can also have, see that's scoreboard objectives, add Pokemon health. So that's what I'm naming it, and then dummy, so Pokemon health. So what a dummy is, it's just a number, just a score. So it's not anything, nothing will trigger it unless I put in a command block that, like, I add 1 to the score or something, as you'll see soon. And then also I have, okay, that's my health to 1, and then this is, sorry. Wait, I have another scoreboard, right? Yeah, it's in here. Sorry. Let me just clear this out really quick. Okay, now it's cleared out over here. As you can see, alright, I'm going to reset this really quick. Alright. So this test for a person in the radius of 3, you can see R is 3, that has a score of pig minimum of 1. So it's basically making sure that I have a pig. In the radius of 3, because if it tests 4 and it's correct, and a lot of times you will probably have a pig, so when you click it, it'll stay on. So you need it to turn off. So to reset it, you just have to stand far away from it. Like, because to actually make it work, you have to stand right up to it. And over here, so that power's on, and then it goes into everything. So it adds a score of 1 to Pokemon Battle. I don't know where the command block I made the scoreboard players, like scoreboard objectives add Pokemon Battle, but that's also a dummy. So it just adds 1 to it. So that Pokemon Battle is basically the arenas, like the battles form of knowing what oh god, it's raining. Just look at that sunset, dude. Like, oh, what? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Over here. Wait, what was that? Yeah. So So if I have a battle score of 1, then the thing will spawn a pig for me. And over here, because these are the same thing, this cow, if I have a battle score of 2, then it will spawn a Pokemon for me. And then it keeps on going. It says success, you entered your pig. Success, you entered your cow. The teleports me there. Oh, hey, look at that. The recording ran out. Man, I just did not realize that. So I don't know how long I've been talking without it being recorded. So I'm just gonna continue. You didn't see these command blocks then. Teleports me there, and then adds the health. So when I click on this, oh yeah, future Pokemon. I've been wanting to create more Pokemon, but as you can see, everything's the same about them. So it's basically just work, and I just found it very, very boring, honestly. And I want to create evolutions also, but then I have to add more Pokemon, and I can do that. It just, this is a single player server. I can't play against anyone. It just won't be very, very fun for me, obviously. I mean, it's pretty basic. It's just work to do that. When I get my server soon, I'm gonna get a server soon, I think. Then I will do it, because then you can actually battle against, like, Corbin friends and stuff. So I'm gonna do pigs. So go in here and then enter my pig. The pig spawns. And wait, I'm gonna break out of here really quick. Oh crap. Okay, it's all fine. Nothing happened. I didn't do anything. Okay. Oh god. Oh, this is still on. Whoops. From last time when I shooed you. Okay, so this, first of all, when I spawn in, you can see there's a pressure plate. So that immediately checks for my battle score to spawn the Pokemon. So it just checks for my battle score exactly 1. See, it battle minimum 1, and then battle equals 1. So for minimum, everything above it's good. For everything that's that number and above it's good. But for everything, when it just equals 1, that number and everything below it's good. So it just cancels them out, and then it's only that exact number. So that's if you want to check for one exact number. So it goes into this stuff, and this just basically spawns. Takes away my score, so I'm reset, and then it just summons the pig. And same thing over here, exact same thing for the cow. So you can just see that. Oh yeah, by the way, no AI. It's awesome. Just want to like mess with some stuff. Alright, so this redstone clock also leads into this thing that tests if my score is 0. And this command block is the reason that my scores for Pokemon Health is always 1. As that might have been bothering you. It always bothers me. Because the problem is that when I do something like this, it's like if I said scores because I want it to become, when it becomes 0, then it's done. But if I said like I can't do a less than 1 thing, because then it would also include 1. So I had to do 0, and then I didn't want it to have to go into the negatives to make my Pokemon health, because I didn't want it to be like my Pokemon can survive at 0 health, because that's just not real. So that goes into this. Once it tests for that, then it kills the pig. Then it says I lose. The person 1 loses, because it's just for this one, so it says person 1. This is person 1, and then sets my Pokemon health back to 1, and then teleports me back. So, that's basically, oh wait, yeah, I forgot about this. Alright, so, the reason why this was not working, was not saying that use tackle, it's because you see over here, I did that thing, that's how it works. For some reason, like, switches and buttons, like, when it goes through command block, it doesn't continue, so, whatever, I didn't feel like I really need to fix that. So it executes at P, at the closest player in 10 in front of me. In front because that's where the other person would be. Because when I put the thing in, the pig spawned in front of me, which is like there. Obviously, there's no command. Like honestly, why couldn't Minecraft create a command that just tests for does stuff in front of you? You realize that when you make a command that's about stuff that's in front of you, it just so much work because you have to make hundreds of command blocks for testing every single possible thing, and then creating an arrow for everything. It's just like, I wish there's a command that just shoots an arrow in front of you. That would be perfect. That would make Minecraft so much easier to program. Whatever, though. Alright, so the scored players remove. So that person in front of me, 10 spaces I checked. that person, then the closest player to that block in front of me would be that person for sure. But since I'm by myself, the closest person is me. So I lose 20 health. It says I use head smash, and then it says I take recoil, and then it gives me recoil. So this over here just does the same thing but removes 10. And then that's it. I don't really have a turn system. I know it's not really gonna work that well. I just didn't like. I was sort of like the battle was a little bit done half-heartedly because I can't really battle against anyone because it's a single-player world, and I just felt like I don't really feel much passion for this. It's just not. I don't want to work on this. It's just painful. But I made this, and I'm sure I could make it a turn-based system. I'm sure I could do a lot more, but I'm just waiting for like my server. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll be having another command block creation come out soon. I worked a lot on this, and I know it's a little bit of a long video, but I hope you enjoyed. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.